everyone, welcome to this review of Writesonic for creatives. So I've been using Chat GPT a little bit to create blogs, some ebooks for my main business, and I thought I'd have a look at what the competition was offering, and I figured I'd do a review in the process. So I've logged in for a free trial of Writesonic. Logged in using my Google account. You get 2,000 premium words. I've already used a few, just having a test of it, but I wanted to show because I try and write a blog every week, and sometimes it's hard work. And so I wanted to try and use AI to make my life a little bit easier. So I thought I'd give Writesonic a go and see how it works. Now, the way I tend to do it is I like to create a template. So I asked Chat GPT to create an article outline or a blog outline. So we're going to give that a go, see if this works. And we're going to call it test. And I'm going to ask how to beat Real Madrid in the Liverpool football, as a Liverpool Football Club fan, we are facing them this evening, and so I want to know, how do we beat them? Put Liverpool in there as well. Obviously English. So let's generate. Let's see what outline it gives us for this. I'm quite intrigued. Now it's a bit slow. Some of that will be my PC. Some of that was they did pop up earlier to say they are working at capacity. So you get three options. You can change that. The three is usually enough. And then you can just have a look at what is the outline. I like this one the best. So what I will then do is I'll open up a Google document, and then basically copy and paste that. And then I will go back to this. Apologies, I haven't done a review for a long time. So anyway, so what I would then do is I would take it paragraph by paragraph. So these are the paragraphs. So I would then go, got some here. So we could have a paragraph. Let's have a go at the paragraph. I think there's 2 paragraph writers. So the topic, just cut and paste that. Again, I'm going to put test 2. Keywords. Liverpool. Let's see what that comes up with. So this is a 300. Again, you can change how many words you want. 300 to 400 per. That'd be quite a long blog post. Given there was, I don't know, 7 or 8 different chapters. But then it's generating that. We can have a look, see if we like it. If we like it, we can use it. If not, you get the option to regenerate. Once I've shown you this, okay. Oh, these are pretty good. Yeah, I like that. So I pick one, copy and paste it back into my document, and I go through each of the headings and just create a new. This is how I use AI. So what I want to do is I want to go back to the main menu and show you some of the other things you can do. So you can use it just like Chat GPT, citation, social media content plan. So there's so many different things. Ads, which is so useful because it costs me money every time I want to run an ad campaign. And this would reduce the cost definitely, because you can use at least create the words, even if you have someone to do the backup end of it. There's general writing or answers. I like that. E-commerce. So again, I sell products on there, so that would be fantastic. Doing that. Social media. I wonder if there's a YouTube on there. Yeah, there we go. So we've got a YouTube description as well, which is fantastic. Website copy, amazing. So we can have landing page headlines, feature to benefit, call to action, landing pages. Absolutely fantastic. So whilst I love ChatGPT and it's been everything that I've needed it to be, I've created some amazing things with it, and boy, has it made my life a hell of a lot easier. Investing in something like this, if you are a content writer, really would be very beneficial. Let's have a look at the pricing, see if it's realistic pricing, because I know some of them are like 60, 70 quid. Actually, that's pretty good. So for 75,000 words a month, it's a hell of a lot. See, we can knock it down. So say we wanted, okay. So if we only wanted 20, just under 20,000 words a month, it's only $13, which is what, about 10 pounds. I go up a little bit more. No, it jumps. So the next on is 75, which again is just under 30 quid a month. But if you think about how much time it takes, I think it's brilliant. I'm really impressed by that. Yeah, so I'd love to know, have you tried them? Oh, look, even you get 50% off on an annual plan. Oh, look at them. Oh, okay. So yeah, really good. Really, although it says it's run out, but it's so yeah, I'm really impressed by Writesonic. I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you use it? What do you use instead? What are your preferences? I really am interested to know, because I want to, like I say, I'm a content writer. I run two websites, so plenty of content to be produced. Anything that makes my life easier, I want to know about. So do share. Let me know what you think. For those of you that are interested, um, please do sign up using the link below. I'm an affiliate of this, but I hope you can see that it is a very, very worth. It's a good value for money. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.